This video, we will learn how to insert a signature into Microsoft Word. The process is simple once you understand each step, so let's walk through everything clearly. First, you need to prepare your signature for import. Draw your signature on a piece of paper using a marker or another pen with a thick line. Using a bold pen makes the signature clearer and easier to edit later. After drawing it, take a photo of your signature and send that photo to your computer through email, Bluetooth, or any other method you prefer. In this example, we use email because it is quick and convenient. Once the photo arrives in your mailbox, download it to your computer and save it somewhere easy to find, such as the Downloads folder. Now open Microsoft Word to insert the signature into your document. Go to the Insert tab in the ribbon, and in the Illustrations group, click on Pictures. From the drop-down menu, choose This Device and locate your saved signature image. In our case, it is in the Downloads folder. Select the photo and click Insert. Word will place the image inside your document, and once you click the picture, you will see sizing handles appear around it. These handles let you adjust the size of the signature. If the image includes a lot of empty space around the signature, you can crop it to make it look cleaner. Click the image, go to the Picture Format tab, and in the Size group, choose Crop. Drag the handles inward as close to the actual signature as possible, and when you are done, click anywhere outside the image to apply the crop. Next, we will remove the gray background around the signature. Select the image, go back to the Picture Format tab, and in the Adjust group, choose the Color option. A menu will appear with many color adjustments, but in this case, scroll to the Recolor section and select Black and White 75%. If this option does not give you the results you want, try Black and White 25% or 50% and choose whichever version looks best for your signature. After this step, the signature may still have a white background that we need to remove. To do that, select the image again, go to the Picture Format tab, and in the Adjust group, click Remove Background. A pink frame will appear around the image, showing what Word plans to remove. Some parts of your signature might look faded, so go to the Background Removal tab and select Mark Areas to Keep. Use this tool to carefully highlight all the lines of your signature so Word knows which parts should remain. When you are satisfied with the selection, click Keep Changes to finish removing the background. At this point, your signature is clear, clean, and ready to be used in your document. The last thing we need is a signature line with the name and position, completing the entire process of preparing and inserting a signature into Microsoft Word. For this purpose, we can use the Signature Line tool in Microsoft Word. Place the cursor exactly where you want the signature line to appear. Then navigate to the Insert tab, and in the text group, click on Add a Signature Line. A Signature Setup dialog box will open, giving you several options. In this dialog box, you can enter the suggested signer's name as well as the suggested signer's title. You also have the option to include your email address. There is even a checkbox that allows you to show or hide the signature date, depending on how formal or simple you want your document to look. Once you finish entering the details, click OK, and Word will insert the signature line into your document. If the signature line appears in the correct place, you can move on to adjusting the position of the signature image itself. Select the signature image, then click on the Layout Options icon that appears next to it. From the choices shown, select either behind text or in front of text. These two options give you complete freedom to move the signature without disturbing the rest of the content. After selecting the option you prefer, simply drag your signature image and place it neatly onto the signature line. This ensures that your digital signature sits perfectly on the designated line, creating a clean and professional appearance. If you want to save this signature line along with your inserted signature for use in future documents, Word gives you an easy way to do that. Start by highlighting both the signature image and the signature line together. Once both elements are selected, navigate back to the Insert tab, and in the text group, choose Quick Parts. From the drop-down menu, click Save Selection to a Quick Part Gallery. A Create New Building Block dialog box will appear. In this box, enter the name you want to give your saved signature element. After naming it, click OK. Word will store this exact combination in the gallery as a reusable building block. The next time you need to insert your signature, you won't have to repeat all the steps. You can simply go to Quick Parts and select the signature you previously saved, allowing you to add it instantly to any document you create. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.